Hello, this is Mike Dyson with MarineMax in San Antonio, Texas. Thanks for stopping by today to take a look at a 2021 Harris Cruiser 210. It's a new arrival that we're very excited about. This is 21 foot. This is a pontoon, so it has two tunes. We did do the lifting strakes, so you have better performance. It'll actually get up on plane a little better than if you didn't have the lifting strakes, so pretty cool there. This boat's beautiful with the white diamond with the metallic champagne accent. LED docking lights there. Dual tops like we always do. So you've got full shade when you're ready for full shade. Leave it open if you want more sun. This is the new CES floor plan, which we'll see better inside, but really excited about this. It's gonna be a very comfortable boat. For a 21 footer, it's got a lot of interior space, really nicely done. 115 4-stroke Mercury, ultra quiet, very fuel efficient, dependable as a hammer, great motor. Hydraulic steering, of course. This is that ladder that we love, the 4-rung stainless steel. You notice it goes really deep in the water. It's got a little bit of an angle to it. It's kind of like, just makes it easier to climb out. The footprints are nice and wide. Handholds are nice and wide as well. Extended rear deck gives you plenty of space to board the boat from the back. While you're swimming and playing on the back of the boat, you got more real estate to play with back here. We do have an onboard battery charger, which is an option on the boat so that you can leave it plugged in all the time and maintain your battery at highest level. USB charging port back here. Also got the flip-up cleats on it. Right here, you'll notice those, so don't have to worry about kicking those and hurting your feet as you're moving around. Let's go on board. This one has the desert dune interior color. Really pretty. Harris does such a great job with their upholstery. Nice dark accents to kind of give it some upscale feel. Talked about it before, but all of your cup holder locations built into the backrest there. They have 2 USB chargers per pod, so lots of onboard power. This is that soft touch vinyl that's really nice. Almost feels like leather. New console for this year. Extremely well done. Visibility is the best. Everything's within easy reach. We've done the optional wireless cell phone charger there, as well as the Lowrance Hook digital depth finder, fish finder. We got some courtesy lights on board. Of course, Fusion sound system. Look at that chair. Super comfy. That's the Ultralux high back seat with folding armrest. Of course, the seat swivels and slides and everything. Nice L-shaped group here. Speakers right where you want them. We do have, this is the custom cover that comes with it. All Harris pontoons come with custom covers. We've got the optional privacy curtain. So if you want to slip in and out of a swimsuit nice and easy, you've got that option. Moving to the back, this is the new CS. So we have a L-shaped lounge inside of here. And then as you go through the rear walkway here, look at this great lounge on the back of the boat. Awesome design. One thing I noticed right away was, look how much storage you have in this thing. I mean, it's a ton of storage. Really excited about this. And then on the port side, you have a draining cooler. So keep cold drinks at hand when you're hanging out and swimming with the kids, hanging out in the cove. Look at all this real estate again you have back here with the extended rear deck, easy access ladder, ski tow bar, pull some tubes. Have a great day on the water. Again, my name is Mike Dyson. This is a 210 Cruiser made by Harris, 2021. Hopefully you enjoyed this walkthrough. I'm here to help you with any Harris pontoon that you have any questions on, or this particular boat, of course. My number is 210-347-5768. Feel free to call or text anytime. We'll see you on the water.